Stop scrolling. If you have stubborn dark spots, acne scars, or even skin, this simple tomato trick can fix them in just a few days using something already in your kitchen. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are struggling with dark spots and you want clear glowing skin without spending so much money, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to use tomato to fix dark spots fast, step by step. Tomato that you use for your soup and stew, you can actually use it to fade dark spots on your skin. So pick your tomato and let's learn how to fade dark spots using tomato. But first, why tomato works? Before we start, let me quickly tell you why tomato is so powerful, why it will help to fade your dark spots. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C, which helps to brighten your skin, antioxidants, which help to repair damaged skin, natural acid, which gently exfoliates and paints dark spots. So you see this treating in tomato will help rejuvenate your skin and erase any form of dark spots on your skin. So basically, tomato works like a natural skin lightener. Method 1. Raw tomato rub. The fastest method is raw tomato rub. This is the easiest and fastest method. What you need is one fresh tomato. What you need to do is cut the tomato into halves, gently rub it directly on your face. Focus on dark spots and affected areas. Leave the juice on your face for 10 to 15 minutes, after which you rinse off with lukewarm water. Very simple and effective remedy. Please try this in at home and you tell me the result later. How often should you use this method? This method, you need to use it once every day. If you want to see fast results, you use it once every day. Just one tomato a day is okay. You slice it open, rub the juice on your face. Look for the affected areas where the dark spots are on your skin. Concentrate on those areas and rub it on the affected areas. Leave it to sit on the face for 10 to 15 minutes. After which you rinse it off with a lukewarm water. And I said earlier, you can do this once every day if you want to see a quick result. Method number 2. Tomato plus honey for glow and moisture. What you need in this particular remedy is 1 tablespoon tomato juice, 1 teaspoon honey. So what you do is you blend tomato. You can blend the tomato and get the juice. You take 1 tablespoon of the tomato juice and you get your honey, 1 tablespoon of honey. Step that you need to take: mix both together. Mix the tomato juice and the honey together. Mix it, apply it on your face. On all the dark spots on your face, apply it all over your face. Leave it to sit on your face for 15 to 20 minutes, after which you wash it off with water. You can also use this method. Instead of grinding the tomato, just add the honey to the tomato and apply it on your face. Rub it over your face, especially on the dark spots. Rub it very well and allow it to sit for 15 to 20 minutes on your face before you wash it off. What are the benefits of this particular DIY mask? Honey hydrates your skin, tomato fades dark spots, and they both give you natural glow. So this particular remedy is very good. Aside from fading your dark spots, it will make your skin to glow and to shine. Then method number 3, tomato plus milk for deep brightening. Yes, if you want deep brightening, if you want to lighten your skin, you need tomato plus milk. So what you need is tomato juice. As I said earlier, you can blend the tomato with a blender or you grind it. Tomato juice, a little milk. So what you need to do is mix the tomato juice and the milk together. You mix it, then apply it with a cotton on your face. Apply it all over your dark spots, all over your face with a cotton. Leave it to sit on your face for 10 to 15 minutes. Then you rinse it off with water. Another method, instead of grinding, is cutting the tomato into two, dipping it into the milk, or applying the milk on it and applying it on the affected areas before rinsing it off. This method is very good. So this tomato and milk will help to lighten pigmentation and even out your skin tone. So these are for people that have uneven skin tone. Maybe this place is dark, this place is light, this place is dark. If your skin is uneven generally, just try this method. It will lighten pigmentation and even out your skin tone. Important tips to take note: always do a patch test. It's not everybody that tomato is good for their skin. Some people react to it, so before you apply it all over your face, make sure you do a patch test. Test it on a little part of your skin to see if it's good for your skin before you apply it all over your skin. Don't use unbroken or irritated skin. So if you have a broken skin or irritated skin or any wound, open wound on your skin, don't use tomato on it. It can irritate the skin the more. Use sunscreen during the day. Very important. After applying all those things, you need to use sunscreen to lock in everything, to leave everything set, and be consistent. Results don't come overnight. Don't use tomato today and expect to see results tomorrow, but if you are consistent doing it often, you will see good results. A lot of people are asking, if I start, how long will it take me to see results? You may start noticing changes in 3 to 7 days, but for best result, use it consistently for 2 weeks. So if you start seeing results, don't stop. For best result, for everything to clear out fast and to go completely, use it for 2 weeks. Even if they are gone, just keep rubbing it for 2 weeks. So tomato is very, very important for your skin. It's not only for soup and stew. In fact, it's like almost everybody have tomato at home, and it's affordable and cheap. So if you have tomato at home and you have dark spots, you don't need to spend money buying expensive products. Just go and get tomato and use it, and you see the result instantly. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more natural skincare tips, and comment clear skin if you are trying this. See you in the next video. Bye.